Bengal and Royal Challengers Bangalore, RCB, pacer Akash Deep replaced Shivam Mavi in the Indian men's squad for the 19th Asian Games in Hangzhou, China. A back injury ruled Mavi out of the event, which will happen between September 23 and October 8. Akash Deep earned a maiden call-up to the Indian squad after the development. As the ODI World Cup commences on October 5, BCCI has earlier named a second-string side for the Asian Games. Ruturaj Gaikwad is set to lead the side, filled with top performers in IPL and domestic cricket. Member of the 2018 Under-19 World Cup winning team, Shivam Mavi was initially selected in the Asian Games squad but is unfortunately out now, due to an injury issue. BCCI's media release on the matter read, "The men's selection committee named Akash Deep as replacement for Shivam Mavi in the Indian squad for the 19th Asian Games Hangzhou 2022. Mavi is suffering from a back injury and is ruled out of the tournament. The men's cricket competition will take place from the 28th of September to the 8th of October in a T20 format. Men's squad for 19th Asian Games: Ruturaj Gaikwad, captain; Yashasvi Jaiswal, Rahul Tripathi, Tilak Varma, Rinku Singh, Jitesh Sharma. Week: Washington Sundar, Shahbaz Ahmed, Ravi Bishnoi, Avesh Khan, Arshdeep Singh, Mukesh Kumar, Shivam Dube, Prabhsimran Singh. Week: Akash Deep. Standby list of players: Yash Thakur, Sai Kishore, Venkatesh Iyer, Deepak Hooda, Sai Sudarsan. The women's team selectors also made a change to the squad due to an injury issue. Left-arm pacer Anjali Sarvani will sit out due to a knee injury. Standby player Pooja Vastrakar has replaced Sarvani in the squad. BCCI's media release read, "The women's selection committee named Pooja Vastrakar, who was earlier a part of the standby list of players, as replacement for Anjali Sarvani at the 19th Asian Games Hangzhou 2022. Sarvani, a left-arm pacer, suffered a knee injury and has been ruled out of the event, which will be held from the 19th of September to the 8th of October 2023 at Zhejiang University of Technology Pingfeng Cricket Field. The women's cricket competition will take place from 19th to 28th of September 2023 in a T20 format.